Hi, welcome to the Lighthouse. You are going to answer 30 multiple-choice questions. Please comment on your score end of the video. Best of luck! A person who rides horses in races. The answer is jockey. A place where beer is produced. The answer is brewery. A person who gives money to charity. The answer is philanthropist. Software intentionally designed to cause damage. The answer is malware. A decline in mental abilities affects memory, thinking, and reasoning. The answer is dementia. A person who draws cartoons. The answer is cartoonist. Financial support paid to a spouse after a divorce or separation. The answer is alimony. What is a group of parrots called? The answer is pandemonium. Protective garments are worn over the shoe and bottom of the pants. The answer is gaiters. An act of trading goods or services without the use of money. The answer is barter. The outer colored peel of a citrus fruit is used for flavoring. The answer is zest. A sculptural method in which figures extend outward from a solid base. The answer is relief. A barrier is built to control water flow and prevent flooding. The answer is dike. What is a baby kangaroo called? The answer is Joey. A lack of harmony or the presence of tension between notes. The answer is dissonance. The boundary 100 kilometers above Earth is considered the edge of space. The answer is Kármán line. What is a female dolphin called? The answer is cow. What is a fear of dolls called? The answer is pediophobia. The transition of a substance directly from a solid to a gas. The answer is sublimation. A venue serving alcohol, often with food and entertainment. The answer is tavern. A form of literature performed with conflict and emotion. The answer is drama. A long, narrow, elevated strip of land, often formed by tectonic activity. The answer is ridge. In sports, failing to perform under pressure in a crucial moment. The answer is choke. What is a male ant called? The answer is drone. A device used in warfare that hurls objects into the air. The answer is catapult. A short post that blocks vehicles from entering restricted areas. The answer is bollard. The shortest path between 2 points on a curved surface. The answer is geodesic. What is a group of cockroaches called? The answer is intrusion. The total amount of water on a planet. The answer is hydrosphere. A drinking glass with a stem and base. The answer is goblet. Hey everyone! Thanks for participating in today's quiz. Please don't forget to share your scores in the comments below. We love hearing how you did and what you found interesting or challenging. Also, if you enjoyed this quiz, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you won't miss out on our future quizzes and educational content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.